Hey you! Today I'm going to review the iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. So I got this product more than a few months ago and I've been kind of leery in trying it, but today I want to put it to the test. So I'm going to start by brushing up my eyebrows with the brush that is included in the kit. And I like this kit because it does have a mirror. Now I'm dipping into the darkest of the two shades that they include, and I'm using the angled brush. Now I'm really surprised at how precise this brush is getting in creating the outline that I like to put on when filling in my brows. And to my surprise, it is filling them in very good. I was very surprised with this brush. I thought that this brush would be a little bit too soft and not really create the lines that I like to get or the brow strokes that I like to create, but this brush is exceeding my expectations. And it really is the perfect size little kit to travel with. So I definitely think that I will be using this, especially when I travel going forward. So now I'm just going back and forth between the brows and making sure they are sisters, not twins, cleaning anything up that I might have missed. Now I'm going to take the Morphe brow gel. This is in clear, and this is what I like to use to set my brows. What I really like about this gel is that it gets the hair stiff and they don't move. I really love that. So this is my finished brow look. I created my eye look using the Bobbi Brown Molten Drama eyeshadow palette, and I'm really loving how the eyebrows turned out for this entire look. So I highly recommend this iconic London eyebrow cushion. It gets a big thumbs up from me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little review. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.